If you found our website, you probably received some sort of correspondence from our company. It could have been a call, voicemail, text, message, email, or letter. Our company is Center for Asset Recovery. We are located in Northwest Arkansas. In this video, our goal is not to sell you anything, rather to educate you about why we contacted you, answer some frequently asked questions, and tell you a little bit about who we are and the service we provide. What we do is monitor property sales, specifically tax mortgage foreclosures and bank foreclosures. What we look for are properties that sold for more than the debt owed to the bank or governmental agency. For example, if you owe the bank a $150,000 mortgage and your home sells for $200,000 at the auction, then the $50,000 difference should go back to you, the homeowner. And that does not include any pending judgments, liens, outstanding tax liability and/or foreclosure fees. The difference is what is called an overage, which is also interchangeable with the terms surplus funds or excess funds. You may also be entitled to the overage if you're an heir of a deceased property owner. Why do we offer these services? There is over $1 billion of unclaimed funds within the 3,000+ counties across the United States. If that money is not claimed within a certain time frame, then the governmental agency holding the funds takes possession of the funds and uses them for their own purposes. The original homeowner loses all rights to the funds. There's not a motivating incentive for these agencies to go above and beyond to find you and tell you this vital information. They do send out notifications, however, it's normally to the last property address on record, which ironically is the foreclosure property address. More often than not, the homeowner is probably not going to see the notification from the county. Let's talk about some of the most frequently asked questions that we get from people like you. The first question people ask is this a scam? I can see why people ask this question, especially since you're receiving multiple calls from third-party companies and law firms stating you are owed money right after your foreclosure. And why people are skeptical. However, the answer to this question is no. This is not a scam. Our company is not asking for any money up front or any of your personal information. Our main goal is to educate you about how the overages are generated, then provide you with some information about how our company can help you recover these funds. Another question we get quite often is, how much money do I need to pay up front for your services? Great question. We don't charge anything up front. We work on contingency. We only get paid when we recover funds for you. If we don't recover any funds for you, then we don't get paid and you do not have to reimburse us for any cost that we advance to our legal team for your case. Next question is, why do I need to work with a company like yours? Is this something I can do myself? The answer is absolutely yes, but understand you are going to be responsible for two things. Number 1, hiring your own attorney and paying for your own legal fees, and number 2, incurring all the responsibilities and/or risk associated with the case. The beautiful thing about working with a company like ours is, we will advance all the upfront costs for the attorney and completely facilitate the process from beginning until end until it's time to receive your check if you're owed one. We use an experienced attorney in every case. In our experience, we have found that using an experienced attorney reduces the errors and speeds up the recovery process. All you have to do is review and return the documentation we send to you. You can contact us with any questions or hire your own legal counsel before signing. Sometimes a county will require a notarized document. We will provide the notary free of charge to you. We incur all the costs and assume the risks just so you don't have to. And here's the upfront bottom line. We do 100% of the work for the recovery of the overage funds. We will receive a percentage of the funds that we recover, only when funds are available. If you haven't been, you will be contacted by multiple companies like ours, and there's some great ones out there. What I recommend is that you do your due diligence on all of these companies, including ours. And what I would like you to ask yourself about these companies, have they been as transparent as I have in this video? Have they given as much information as I have? Have they told you how the overage was generated? But more importantly, have they acknowledged the fact that you can do this yourself? So, whether you use our services or not, I hope I lowered your skepticism and succeeded in really 3 things: educating you about how the overage created, answered some frequently asked questions, and gave you 2 truthful and viable options on how to recover your money. So obviously, we do this as a business to earn money, but what we never want to do is make a decision about how you recover your funds. If you're looking for professional assistance, you can call us directly at area code 479-222-0225 or reach us via email at recovery@centerforassetrecovery.com. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and really help you recover what's rightfully yours. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.